Write in point-slope form. So we're going to write a linear equation in point-slope form. So we need to know what point-slope form looks like again. That's going to be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Anytime that we write an equation... Alright, sorry about that. Pause the video. So I was probably talking about how every time we write an equation, we start with this point-slope form. So we know the slope is labeled m equals -2. We've got this ordered pair. The first point is our x1, the second one is our y1. So all that we have to do is plug in the y1, the slope, and the x1. So we're going to do y minus, and then the y1 up there we can see is this 1, so we're going to plug that in, equals, our slope is -2, parentheses, x minus, and then this x1 you see is a -6. So we're subtracting a -6. Anytime you subtract a negative, we can go ahead and make that addition. So we'll say plus 6. So this is point-slope form. We don't have to do anything else with it. Don't try solving for anything. That's point-slope form. It's done. It gets its name point-slope form because we've got the slope in here, and you've got a point on your line, your x1 and your y1. Alright, the second example, we have to write in point-slope form, but if you notice, all we have is 2 points on the line. Well, to write point-slope form, you need to have a point, which we have, but you also have to have the slope. So anytime that you don't know the slope, you want to go ahead and find the slope first. So here's, I'm just labeling my points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Our slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then we just plug everything in. -1 minus 3 over 0 minus 6. We get a -4 over a -6. Anytime that you are dividing negative numbers, those do come out positive. And we can also reduce that down to a 2/3. So we've got our slope. We can go ahead and grab this first ordered pair and write our equation from that. So y minus our y1 is labeled up there as a 3 equals, plug in that slope we just found, 2/3, and then x minus our x1 is a 6. And there we have our point-slope form.